Bo Moore here with AccurlUSA. I'm with John with Alion Science, where we just recently installed this Accurl 8-foot by 121 press brake. John, in working with myself and our company, what's been your overall experience so far?
It's been a really good experience. Everything has gone real smoothly, and like I said before, it's my first attempt at fabbing, bending metal, and without knowing anything at all, the help that you guys have given us it's been smooth and easy and straightforward.
Great.
Very happy.
Great, we like to hear that. Our training process, do you feel, like you mentioned, it's your first time really working in this type of environment with this type of equipment? Do you feel we presented things in an easy way to learn and overall understand?
Yeah, absolutely. With no background at all, I feel like you guys come in and somebody with no experience at all you guys have taught us how to do it, and we feel confident that we're going to be able to proceed and do the things we need to do.
Beautiful. Well, it's been a pleasure working with you, John, and look forward to future endeavors.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.